coming around the corner here for an interview. I love the name, Team Monolith, right? Hi, how are you? Jay, pleasure.
Hi, my name is Justin.
Tell me a little bit about Team Monolith, Justin.
Okay. In Korea, we built the AI education platform Codle for the high school and the middle school. And now we are expand for the university and elementary school level. So we teach AI and make a platform to make teachers more easy to teach about AI in their schools. And also now we plan to expand for abroad.
Wonderful. I think I need something like this. I need to learn about AI.
Yeah, sure.
But first of all, of course, educating our youth and teaching the young and the children about how to use AI will improve the future dramatically.
Yeah,
Tell me a little bit about how your technology is used. Can you show me a demo, for example?
Okay. Now she's explaining about our.
Okay, you can tell me what she's explaining to him.
Yeah. So first, those days we built the AI tutors and the AI like generate system for teachers.
Sure.
So the teachers can reduce their workload with our AI. So we can make the own course materials for just 5 seconds. And for the students, if they trying to know about the AI or if they are not able to question about what they didn't know, it's super bestly answer your question about it.
So it's great. It's not only educating students about AI and having students directly interact with AI, it's helping to take the workload off teachers. I hear that teachers always say, I have so much to do, so much work to do.
It's same things. It's all over the world. And also for the computer science and AI teachers, there is lack of computer science and AI teachers all over the world because almost all
the people who majored in it?
Yeah, who majored computer science doesn't do teachers.
Yeah, they're in the workforce, right? Like working in computer science fields.
So all over the world, they lack of the computer science teachers so we make Codle and produce for the teachers, and they can very easily to teach about AI with our platforms.
Wonderful. So it works on tablets. Does it also work on smartphones? Does it work on all type of digital devices?
Yeah, that's right. So in Korea, our government gave the smart notebooks for all students. So every schools about 60% in Korea. In middle school, high school, they use our platform to teach computer science and AI courses those days.
Wonderful. Okay, so Korea is one of the most technologically forward countries, using this in about 60% of schools. The government has all these tablets and notebooks implemented into schools.
That's right.
What are plans abroad? I mean, I'm American. I think America could use something like this too. Are you already exporting abroad? Do you have plans to go abroad?
So actually now we are targeting for the GCC market, actually for United Arab Emirates, because in their country, the government's mandatory for AI for all students, like from the kindergarten to high school levels. So first we target for the United Arab Emirates and Saudi or GCC for the international schools at first, and then we're trying to go to like Singapore or Indonesia, which is very trying to teach about AI.
Okay, so you're already going to a country or a region that has an established kind of future or established guidelines for it, and then ones that are also trying to penetrate or work within that market of AI and that education as well.
Yeah, so we both make a platform and also train teachers. So we produce the teachers who can teach AI for their schools. So we both do the business for the teacher training and the platforms.
Wonderful. Teacher training, the platforms as well, helping students with AI. We're here at COMEUP 2025. What is your biggest goal here at this exhibition?
So now we are raising Series A those days to go abroad. So we're trying to meet investors or who can help us to make a partnership for the GCC market. That is our plan for here.
There you go. If you want to invest in an AI education solution that works for both teachers, students, and helping the world learn more about how AI is going to be implemented in our future, come check out Team Monolith.
Sure, and already we make a profit, so
Congratulations.
it is very benefit for your investors.
There you
For
go.
investment, yes.
Of course, learning is paramount, but from an investor's point of view, profit is also important.
Yeah,
So come down and check them out. Thank you so much for your time today. Thank you, Justin.
Nice.